Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the new impossible trick in Gate 4. So the impossible trick is a new trick that they've added in the new Season 2 update, and it's a really cool trick. So to do it, it looks really similar to a pop shove it. However, where a pop shove it is going down and flicking halfway up, you actually need to just flick your stick in a full circle, just like that. So to do it whilst you're pushing, you just need to pull your stick down and spin it in a full circle. Now, when you're doing this, just ensure that you actually spin it fully. Otherwise, if you go only halfway, it will still execute a pop shove it. Just like that, it's a pop shove it. And there's the impossible. So thanks for watching. If that was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more. Thank you.